like, is this a bush?
Well, we can't forget the old cat eye over here now. I mean, come on now. Do you mind your chucking on video?
Everything. I like it.
Huh? It's like, oh, you know where this kid lives at now. You mind doing that one more time so I can get that on video?
Yeah.
Nice.
That's not good with a two-step.
I know, right? It's pretty nice. We got our boy here with a nismo, man.
My truck, because he has that shitty 6 backside on 5. Mine. It's basically like blow up. Do you want to do something with the Ford one?
Hey, do you care if your car's on video?
Be my guest, bro.
Heck yeah, man. Huh? Well, let's get a little showdown on your car here, man. Like what you got on the hood, stuff like that. You know, we gotta see what you got. He's got a good sound system in it too. It sounds pretty good.
Hey, is Bose a good? Is that like a good brand?
Bose? Yeah, it's pretty good. Nice.
Pretty sure they got aftermarket Bose systems for those. What year is it?
There we go.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it did. You got the center console thing in the middle, and you got a jump seat.
Yeah, I got a center.
Yeah, you should have Bose, man.
I'm obsessed with this thing. I love it.
Damn. Hey, even though it's factory, that's still looking good.
Oh, hell yeah.
Do you have an exhaust on there or anything?
Just straight fine.
Oh, bro, we gotta get a good video, man. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, I know, right? That sounds good. Hell yeah, dude. That's what's up. Did yours have an exhaust on it, didn't it?
I'm gonna get Flow Masters for it though.
Were you straight pipe or something?
No, I wish.
What do you got running right now?
Do you want to make a street pipe?
Huh?
Did he say he wishes it was?
Do you want to make a straight pipe?
Oh,
I can
yeah.
run to my house and grab my Milwaukee mini hack real quick.
I stole my dad's Sawzall. It's gonna fucking cut off the muffler. I don't give a shit if it's illegal.
Well, as
I
you
got a
can
friend,
tell, I'm
yeah.
running long tube headers and it's fucking nothing. No muffler, no Cadillac converter, nothing.
I just want to make it loud.
It'd be loud, especially no cat.
Shit, I know, right?